ERP for Agriculture Cooperatives. Welcome. Guidance video on use of ERP. It is an introductory video on use of ERP. The abbreviation of ERP is Enterprise Resource Planner and it is named as Unite ERP. The ERP is the ultimate stage of PACS computerization process. It is application software for PACS. Unite ERP is a foremost, ultra-modern, multi-user, cost-effective, cooperative, banking, cloud-based web solution developed by Intellect Informatics in the PACS computerization process. It is icon-based, workflow-driven, regional language support, ease of use software which computerizes all business activities of the society and generates all the required reports for the stakeholders. It adheres the Common Accounting System CAS, Proforma and Management Information System MIS annexes in accordance with the guidelines of NABARD. Main objective of Unite ERP: establishing the best practices in accounting, extending user-friendly application software, obtaining organizational transparency, accountability and increase efficiency and by reducing delays, enable various stakeholders such as state government, NABARD, RCS, State Cooperative Bank, DCCB to monitor the financial health of banks and services to its members. Features of Unite ERP. The features of Unite ERP. The ERP software has the features, namely technical and functional features. Technical features: multi-user support and multi-branch support will be provided. Comprehensive auditing capabilities are available. Provision for transaction level security. SMS alerts to customers regarding their transactions and balance can be sent. SMS alerts can be sent to President, CEO regarding daily cash balance, deposit and loan transactions. The software shall have a customer-centric view. The facilities like search and quick launch features are available. Bilingual support, English or local language is given. Configurable dashboards are provided. Configurable reports can be generated. Individual alerts and group alerts can be sent. It manages scalable and high volume transactions. The software is having compatibility for integration with core banking and any other software. Data aggregation and business intelligence at various levels can be ensured. Integration with smart device like POS can be done. Transactions through micro ATMs can also be done. Functional features. Under functional features, one can have user administration, member details as per KYC norms with signature, photo, identity card and address proof scan. Information of member details, declaration, mortgages or hypothecation, etc. Calculation and posting of dividend on share capital. Check member asset and liability, loan and share capital during closure of membership. Configurable loan products management module, adaptable to interest or due date policy changes. automatic generation of credit limits, repayment schedules, demand notices, DCB and overdue lists, legal action, comprehensive credit history to understand past customer history, loan document flow management, NPA provisioning, automatic posting of interest payables and receivables, loan conversions, postponement, reschedulement, rebate, subsidy and subvention, saving accounts, interest calculation on daily balances, passbook and deposit certificate printing, term deposit interest calculator, management of standing instructions, manage suppliers, items, item rates, print sales book, stock and sales register, stock valuation, stock transfers, pre-printed voucher and bill printing, generation of vouchers, automatic bookkeeping, subsidiary books, scroll books, day book, general ledger, etc. Drill down mechanism to voucher level, employee attendance and payslip generation, track DCCB borrowing, payments and gap analysis, maintain logger accounts, track maintenance log, adherence to all CAS and MIS reports of NABARD, track and capture the board members and management committee and general body meetings held, access to comprehensive business data to improve decision making, graphical representation of analyzed data in bar charts, half year or year-ending process, generation of financial statements, trial balance, trading accounts, profit and loss account, balance sheet, etc. Generation of audit reports. Thank you.